Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you prepare for the CPA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 4 distinct sections. Next, select a study method that aligns with how you learn best, whether it's self-study or a review course. Finally, develop a practical study schedule and commit to following it consistently. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To study effectively, concentrate on truly understanding the core accounting concepts rather than simply memorizing facts. Dedicate significant time to practicing with a wide variety of multiple-choice questions and task-based simulations. After completing practice sets, thoroughly review all your incorrect answers. This process helps identify weak areas and reinforces correct understanding, making your study time more productive.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. On another note, preparing for the CPA exam can be demanding, so make sure your nutrition is on point. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your study snacks fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Effective time management is crucial for the CPA exam. Ensure you allocate sufficient study time for each of the 4 exam sections, balancing your strengths and weaknesses. Invest in a reputable CPA review course. These provide structured materials and practice questions. Remember to take regular, short breaks during your study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain optimal focus throughout your preparation journey. On exam day, prioritize getting a good night's sleep to ensure you are well-rested and alert. Plan to arrive at the testing center early, giving yourself ample time to check in and settle without rush. During the exam itself, carefully manage your time for each testlet and simulation. Read all instructions thoroughly and stay calm, trusting in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.